Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, we can't find your camera error fix on Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Privacy. Click Camera. Click Change to turn on camera device on. Make sure turn on camera. Second method is, click Start Settings. Click Apps. Type camera in app search bar. Click Camera, click Advanced Options. Click Reset. Click Reset. Third method is, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Imaging Devices. Right-click Camera Device, click Uninstall Device. Check Delete the driver software for this device, click Uninstall. Click Action tab, scan for hardware changes. If same error still exists, fourth method is, click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Windows Store Apps. Now try to open Camera app. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.